Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers, right? So let's go to the TikTok and make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok, okay? So we will just go to the profile and here we will click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and after that we will go on setting and privacy, and after that we have to go a little bit down, and here on the support and about you have to report a problem. Why we are reporting a problem here? Because you don't have a live feature, because you don't have 1000 followers, so you have to ask the customer service so that they can add a live feature in your account, right? So we will scroll a little bit and here you can see the live option here. Just click on this and wait for a few seconds, it will load. Here now, here you have to click on the I can't start a live here, right? So just wait for a few seconds and here you have to report no, because this is not helpful, of course, and you have to click on need more help, and here this is very important thing, right? So here you have to write hello TikTok team, my followers want me to go live. I and my followers will be happy if you give me a chance to go live on TikTok, and after that you have to add your account username, and thank you so much. So this is it guys, you have to just report a problem here, and after that they will contact you through email or through this ID, and that's it. So you can take this further conversation on the email too, right? So this is it guys, I hope you like this video so much, and make sure to like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and also leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.